There are 5 buttons apparent on the front of the device. The button placed in the middle with the power symbol will be primarily utilized to weigh the corresponding objects. Press this button to tear the scale so that the 0.000 grams glows. To begin using the balance, open either the 2 side latches or the top latch by sliding the door handles forward and stay away from the body.
As exemplified using the beaker, pick up the beaker and gently place it onto the metal plate. Tear the balance again so that 0.000 grams glows and the beaker is resting on the scale. Add the substance that you are weighing carefully into the container using either the side or top latch. Close the lids to stabilize the mass and prevent air drafts from interfering with the measurement, and record the mass. The mass recorded will be just the substance and not the beaker.
Tear the balance by pressing the middle button until the scale reads 0.00. Place the weighing container on the metal plate. Ensure the lids are properly closed and wait for the measurement to stabilize. Record the mass. Now open the lids and transfer the substance into the weighing container. Close the lids and wait for the measurement to stabilize. Record the mass. Figure out the mass of the substance by subtracting the mass of the container from the mass of the container plus the substance.
Avoid placing weight or resting limbs on the electronic scale. Refrain from moving the electronic scale. The yellow safety tape is where the electronic scale must rest at all times. If there are spills, please use the following. If you spill a powder, please use the available brushes at each station to sweep the substance off of the scale until none remains. If you spill a liquid, act quickly to ensure that the electronics are not damaged. This can be done by using paper towels to soak up the liquid. If you spill a solid chunk, please pick it up and make sure that the scale is free of all debris.